Hi, this is Olivia from the Developer Education team. Today I want to show you how to connect your applications with repositories. So, we probably all know that repositories are one of the most essential parts of app development. They help you manage your code, control any changes, switch between branches, and such. So it should be wonderful news that right now you can connect your applications with your repositories straight from the Developer Console. And how can you do it? It is very simple. First, you need to go to your Developer Console account and then choose your profile settings. On the left-hand side, you'll find available integrations. As of this moment, we have 3. 1 for code management, so GitHub, and 2 for deployments with Netlify and Vercel. Today we're interested in GitHub, so that's what we're gonna click. And as you can see, we are right now not connected to a GitHub integration. That's something we want to change, so we will click Connect. And authorize text platform/developer console to access our GitHub profile. We will also authorize live chat as an organization. And once that is done, to complete the integration, we will also need to install the GitHub application from live chat on your GitHub profile. In this section, we have 2 options. You can either grant us access to all of your repositories or only to the selected repositories of your choice. So when, for example, you have an application and you want us to access just one repository that's connected with this application, you will choose the repository so we can access it and we will not have access to any other repository on your account. I will choose all repositories. Okay, and the access is granted. So right now we can start linking repositories to our applications. To do that, we will go to the Apps section and create new application. We will name this however we like because we can always change it later, and we're headed straight to the repository section. From here, as the name says, we can link the application to our repository. And we will choose GitHub, as GitLab is something that's a work in progress right now. And we have 2 options. We can either create a new repository for this application or use an existing repository, something that I have mentioned before, connect this application to a repository that's already existing on your GitHub account. So we will choose new repository, and there's something fun in here. So we have an option to bootstrap your repository with a sample code configuration that includes a code example from our APIs. It is in Next.js and basically bootstraps the repository with a sample configuration for you. You can also create an empty repository, just something blank that you can configure yourself, but we really recommend the Next.js to try out. So I will choose that and link the repository. Okay, and the repository is right now linked successfully. We can from here open it in Visual Studio Code, we can edit it in both desktop and browser, and basically manage your code more efficiently straight from the Developer Console. So that should be all from here. I hope that's clear how to connect the GitHub integration with your profile and apps right now. But if you have any questions related to that, please be sure to drop us a message on our Discord for developers. We'll be happy to assist you. So, as of now, that's all. Thank you so much for watching and have a nice day.